High-pressure espresso machine, Yabano 1350 watts espresso machine with 15 bar pressure, ensure you get continuous extraction and best extraction every time. User-friendly design, you can also be a barista and brew favorite espresso at home. Pressure gauges, built-in pressure gauges, you can know the accurate pressure of espresso coffee machine, help you in consistently brewing great espresso. Built-in milk frother, espresso maker comes with steam wand, you can enjoy cappuccino and latte with creamy and rich foam at any time at home. Large water tank, 37 ounces large and transparent water tank with detachable design, makes cappuccino machine easy to fill water. Detachable frothing nozzle and drip tray for easy cleaning. Compact design won't take too much space.